guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a crystal haul to show you that I purchased from Banner Gems USA. Do you want to know what I bought this time? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So not that long ago, I did show you an order that I placed from Banner Gems USA. They are an Instagram-based company and they go live a few times a week, and then you just pop into their live, you watch it, they show you all of the items. An adult is holding it so you can see the actual size to compare to, to compare it to. So you know what it's going to be when you get it. Not like you're just gonna see a photo and it looks bigger than it is. You actually see them holding the item, and I love that. At the end of the live, they tally everything up. They send you a photo that they have saved under your name for what you've said that you've wanted and what you've claimed. They show you everything that's in there, and then they send you a PayPal invoice, and then you have 24 hours to pay it. Once it's paid, you get your shipping confirmation. They package it. They package it super well. I've already opened this because this is how it came. Everything was completely bubble wrapped. Every single item was completely bubble wrapped with a lot of bubble wrap. Attention to detail was spot on. So nothing has ever came to me damaged. I've ordered from this actual company several different times now. Nothing's ever came damaged or anything like that. And I really do enjoy the quality and the pricing from this company. And there's not like a whole lot of people in the live. So it's not like there's gonna be hundreds of people that you're trying to fight over. Sometimes I pop in the lives and there's only like 20 people and I'm like, oh, score, I got this. Because then you have more of a chance of actually winning or claiming that item that you want to purchase. So I really love that they're not like overly bombarded in their lives all the time. So there's that. I will link their Instagram down below if you'd like to follow them. You can see their lives, see what they have, and all of that. So there's that. So when I did the last video and I was screen recording one of their lives just so you could see what it would kind of look like, I saw things that I just couldn't pass up. And I still needed a few items for my man's mom for Christmas, and I found some there. And that's what I really actually wanted. I wanted to find some really nice crystals for her, and that's what I accomplished. So I did place an order. I have like 12, 13 items in front of me. I ended up, finding things that I wanted for myself too. Dang it. So I'm gonna go over my entire order and I'm gonna show you what I purchased. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start with this one right here. This is a heart. This was $5 only. And I actually do collect these different hearts. I have them in different sizes, different stones. So I saw this for only $5 and how big it was. I'm like, yes. Plus the little white in there, it kind of reminds me of like a flower. It just looks really pretty. So only $5. The back does have a little bit of like rawness right here, but everything else is completely smooth and just gorgeous. So $5 for that right there. Next was, I believe I got two of these together for the price. This was $5 as well, but it was two pieces. So the back is unfinished. I'm almost showing you the front. The back is unfinished on both of them. And then this is what it looks like on the front. So it was only $5 for both of these pieces right here. So 5. There's that. These are just super sparkly. And again, I just couldn't pass up that price. I'm like, wait, 5? Yeah, 2? Yes, please. Give me some more. Up next is this point right here. I just love when they can stand up on their own, like the free forms or the points. That's what I really love. So when I saw this and it was only $10, I said, yep, add that to my order. It just reminds me of like an ocean with all this blue, and then this like orange reminds me of like a sunset. So to me, that just reminds me of like the ocean. It's just beautiful. And I just wanted to add that to my collection. $10. Next up, this one was actually on sale. So I paid the same price. I paid $10 for this, but it was originally $19. So it's definitely different in size, even though I paid the same amount. They'll do a lot of discounts as well. It could be like 50% off. It could be less. It could be more. It just depends on what they have and what their sales are at the time. But this one used to be $19 and now it's only $10. You can see down inside there and it's like all sparkly. It's just, this is just so pretty. And for $10, I was like, Oh my goodness. And that's a good size. Again, it's a really good size for $10. I have big ass hands, so that is a really good size. So $10. Next up, this one was $21 and it was on sale for $11. It's a little bit chunkier, like thicker. It's not as tall, I don't believe. No, it's just a little bit shorter, but it's a little bit thicker. It's a little bit different colors. And then look inside of that one. And then there's another one right here. These are just, oh my gosh, those are so, so pretty. Those are just so, so pretty. And I just really like the colors. It's like a light blue and browns. It's just really neutral. I just really think, I just really love that. And I couldn't pass up $11. I was like, okay, add that, add that. So next will be, I'll show you this one right here. This one was $12. It was on sale. Let me see what it was beforehand, because there's another sticker here that's right underneath. $25. So this one was $25 and I only paid $12. So the back is like this, it's just raw. And then the front of it, look at how gorgeous that is. That is just so beautiful. That's just beautiful. And again, half off. I was like, and it's a good size, a nice good chunk, super, super sparkly. So yeah, I had to grab that one right there too. Next, they had this bowl. The bowl was normally $18 and then they clearanced it down to $12. I got one of these for his mom and then I got one for myself, which is this one. This one says 13. I don't have another number under there, so I don't know if this was like $19 or $20 prior to, but this one was only $13 and it has like these browns. Basically these are like the colors in my bedroom. So I thought this would be cool to put like those little eggs in for now, since I keep saying I want to find a little basket for the little egg shaped ones, or like the smaller stones so they don't roll off my table. I just thought this would be perfect. And then this one is really, really pretty, and this one we will be giving to his mother for one of her Christmas gifts. But I just thought that was super, super pretty because it has like the browns, it has like peachish pinks kind of, and then some greens. That just looked really, really pretty. And I'm like, oh, I think she'll like that. I don't know what she'll use it for. She can use it as a ring tray, put things in, whatever. But I just wanted to get this little bowl for her as well. So I have a bowl and she has a bowl. Next, I just thought this was too cute, so I had to grab it. It's $15 and it's this little apple. And then on the leaf, there's actually little rhinestones on the leaf that you can see. And then it just has like the silver little top, which I'm so glad it wasn't gold. And then here is the apple. I think there was a few other colors, but I wanted the green one. Oh, and the end of the stem actually even has one of those right there too. Isn't that cute? That is just so cool. So $15, I just had to grab the little apple. I just thought it was super cute. So then here is the next one. This one here was not on, well, it might have been on sale. It says 21 and there's another sticker underneath it. Hold on, let me remove the top one and then we'll find out what it says underneath. Underneath says 26. So it was 26, I paid 21. I like the little peach colors in there. And again, it's on the little point and it stands up. So I thought that was really neat. It's different colors because it's a lot lighter than like this one here would be. But I just thought that was super cute. I think this might have been one that I said I wanted first. And then all the other like sale ones started busting out, because the other ones I would paid like $10, $11 for. This one was 21. Okay, so this next one I got for his mom for sure. I just really, really thought, I mean, come on, look at the size of that thing. Plus, I really, really love this crystal. So this was $29. It was not on sale. This thing is heavy. This is really, really heavy, large and in charge. And I just thought that was super, super pretty. I just definitely wanted her to have that so it can stand up. And then to go next to it, or she can put anywhere she wants, I got this right here. This was $29 as well. So basically both of these were $60 for her to go towards her Christmas gift. Look at this though. Look at how beautiful. All these little sparkles inside. And then the back side is like that like peachish, pinkish color, which I think is going to match. See, it's going to match perfectly. So I just had to get both of these for her. So this was the main thing that I wanted. And then I just started seeing all these other I started adding to my order. but this is super, super heavy. This has some weight to it as well, but I just love both of those. So I hope she loves them just as much. I'm sure she will. And then let me see the last item. I have one more left. This one was just super, super unique, and I was so excited when my claim went in first. This one was also $29, but look at this. You have the amethyst on the top, and then you have like that one little point that's sticking out there. I'm not sure if that's a clear quartz or what that was. I can't remember at the time, but you have this that looks kind of like a bowl sitting there, and then get this, look at the bottom. It's a completely different one on the bottom. Like you flip it and you reverse it, and they're just totally different pieces. Like they're just totally different crystals. Like that is just so unique that you have the amethyst up here, and then you have this one down here. And then like these 2 points here even look really, really cool. Like that little shiny area right there. $29. When she flipped it over and I saw the whole other end look completely different, I'm like, ooh, 29. Mine? Yes, it's mine. I was so excited. I was so excited. I was so excited. So that is everything to complete my last crystal haul of this year. I'm not, even if I screen record for you guys in this video, I'm not, I can't purchase anything else right now. This is my second one here, like quickly. So yes, I just wanted to show you everything because I love crystals, and I know a lot of you guys do too. So wanted to show you what I purchased yet again from Banner Gems USA. And I will link them, like I said, I will link their Instagram down below in my description box. You can take a look at that. Pop in one of their lives one day and just see what they have. You don't have to say anything. You don't even have to claim anything unless you want it. So there's that. So comment down below and let me know, what did you think of all of the crystals that I purchased this time? What would be your favorite if you were to get any of these? Did you have your eye on one of them versus the other? Definitely comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.